Hi ka-senior guys, welcome back to my channel, Yub's Vlog. Guys, today we will restore or repair this electric frigidaire steam iron guys. This one. It's already stuck in my scrap guys. You see guys, maybe 1 year stuck in my repair collections. So I will install this one guys for this. Hello guys, there is no sticker now, so we will only follow this marking, and this 3 wire, this green and yellow is the ground, this is the blue guys is the neutral, and this brown and the brown guys is the live, neutral, ground, and this is the lamp guys. We will install this lamp guys live to neutral. We connected already the live guys, the live and the lamp. So I will connect now the ground, the green, yellow green. Connected already guys, the wirings. So we will test now if the thermostat is working guys. You see guys, this is off position guys. So we will turn counterclockwise. See this one guys, is light. You see, it's working now. We will check if the thermostat will automatically off. It's heating now guys. You see guys, You see? Now the thermostat is okay guys, kasi niya. We will return back now guys. We will test now guys, kasi niya. This is off position guys. So we will adjust now the thermostat. See guys. Okay guys. See, it's heating now. You check this one guys. We will check if it will off. See guys, now off. Again light. So the thermostat is okay guys, ka-senior. We are done in our repair guys. Replacement of thermal fuse for this electric frigidaire steam iron. Okay guys, for those who are new in my channel, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit notification bell for you to be informed for my next videos. Okay guys, thank you and God bless.